Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I'm going to talk about how to use these AI generated background images. I see a lot of people taking some images from AI, but not incorporating it properly, not adding it with the flow of the web page. But it's pretty simple. Just have a lot of white space. So white space or like good for like reading, for like focusing attention. Here the attention should be in the middle. This part is the next, it comes next. So here I've added white space, everything else is flowing with the page. So that's the reason for that. And your images, add them to the hero section, because like 90% of your users only see the hero section. So add them to that, make sure it looks fine, it captures your users attention. And maybe down here something like this, with again it should be similar. So all the images in your website should be like with a similar style, similar colors, everything. So here we have the same green cartoonish background here. It's the same one here. So you can ask AI to generate similar looking things for yourself. And even inside the app itself, you can add some similar looking graphics to your like this models, some empty states. You can add similar looking graphics. So yeah, the first thing is add similar looking things. Make sure to get the prompt from AI itself. So if you generated something, or if you see something that you like, just put it in ChatGPT and ask it how to generate something like this again, and it will give you the prompt. And you can generate it for everything in your website. Add it to your empty states, add it to maybe like delete states, this alert states. It just adds something that the users just see. They'll just see something and know, okay, this is going to do refresh and things like that. So yeah, try creating similar images. Make sure there's a lot of white space. Make sure it's not very colorful. It doesn't have like 5-6 colors. Make sure if your it aligns with your branding. My branding for this website is green, and so I added greenery. I wanted to be like as naturistic as possible, so I added green everywhere. I've added green things everywhere in the website. So that's what I'm going for. And for your website, think about the theme, think about how you want to do it, and yeah, that's it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.